Okay, so we want something that looks good, but we're not breaking the bank.
Like, I feel like we have pieces and nothing is tied together, and I want it to look tied together. That's what we're missing.
Yes, so we need your rug here.
Yep.
Your nightstands are coming.
Yes.
Your lamps, we're gonna decide if we're using these or if we're ordering.
Right.
And we have to do the lights.
Yeah.
So this is a 7. Okay. If this is a 7, then you would have to go 5 by 7, which is standard.
Yes.
Unless you want to do custom, which we don't. So 5 is here. So you're looking at this. So it's not going under your sofa.
Yeah.
But you want it out enough that when you walk in your hallway, because you
Okay.
have a pretty spacious walkway here, that you see the rug. It fills up the space.
Okay.
You're okay with 5 by 7?
Yes.
Okay. You want something, they should be the same. If anything, these two should be the same. And then this one over here can be,
Okay.
you know what I don't like? The fact that it's not centered with your bed.
I know.
That kind of,
I know.
you don't want to move your nightstand to that side, right? You want access
We're having
to it.
2 nightstands
Right.
that you ordered, but I mean, I don't care what side the nightstands are.
Well, you're gonna have one on each side. So then let's stick with semi-flush. Because if it drops down, then it's really gonna be an eyesore to have off center with your
Well,
bed.
if you put only one night table, let's say, you would shift the
I
bed.
would shift the bed over and it would be centered with the light,
Yeah,
and then you would have your nightstand here, but
that's fine. I have no issue with that.
you're just gonna use
So
the
you
one.
would have one there, and you'd use the other nightstand to put this TV
You wanna
on,
put the TV on.
or whatever
Make
you
it
feel.
useful for now.
Until we
Okay.
have it in the next place.
Okay,
So if that's what you want to do, is shift the bed over and not have the nightstand, that's fine with me.
okay.
Okay? I just want the room to feel like it's come together, like when I walk into your stuff, it's like,
Well, this is incomplete,
yeah.
right? This
Yeah.
is not
The
a...
major pieces are
This
here.
is where we tell our clients, come at the end of the staging so you see it finished.
Yeah, so, exactly. All right, so that's what you've got here.
You
Because
need
I-
artwork still, you know,
I know that.
yeah, you still need artwork, you need the pillows, this is,
Yeah,
okay.
this, at night I'm in the dark. There is no lighting here. I need
Oh,
those-
yes, island.
I need that desperately, because you remember,
chairs.
aren't they lovely?
They're so lovely.
They are so, so lovely.
How do they, comfortable?
Yes. Comfortable and beautiful and nice, nice, feel free.
So
Like
what we
one
did
side
was,
and one-
because Susan didn't have furniture, we brought in some stuff just to have her live comfortably for the timing until her pieces
That was
get
so generous.
come in, yeah,
of
but
them.
but now this piece is in, which we had custom made, which is stunning, and it's the swivel, which we were
actually-
having a whole discussion about doing this one.
I know. I thought he was doing the gold on the base, but I guess he decided not to.
No, I think we decided to do the black.
Okay.
Because if it was the gold, I would have to choose the finish for it.
Okay.
The black, because we said we're gonna do the black coffee table. Remember we said we're gonna do the metal?
Oh, okay.
Once your other sofa comes in.
Once the others.
Yeah, because that one has the same base as well.
Perfect.
Yeah.
The other. How does
Stunning.
it look? You saw the sofa.
Stunning.
I know.
Stunning. I saw it at the work. Oh, actually we took photos of it. I can send it to you.
Yeah, I'd love to see it.
Yeah, it looks really good. The fabric's really nice too.
Yeah.
These beside the sofa were just such a stunning match.
I know.
It's where you really emphasize on the word custom made because the fabrics just put together, they just flow so nicely. So this is 78 right now. Yours is here.
Right.
That's a 78. That's just under 7 feet.
Yeah, that's what we had ordered.
You want to go to 7 feet? 84?
Isn't that?
This is
Oh.
7.
Yes. Weren't you gonna go to 90? Does that present the same
Well,
problem?
Honestly, it's up to you, Susan.
No, it's up to the elevator.
Oh gosh, the elevator.
No, up to me. I love the idea of the 96. So I want you to measure the elevator and see what you can do.
Because it's still a standard size sofa. You know, it's not an oversized sofa. So we ordered a sofa for Susan that was 8 feet long, so 96 inches, and it didn't fit in the elevator. It's very frustrating for everyone, but we're gonna have to make my beautiful client happy and make the elevator happy at the same time and order something smaller.
Freight elevator. We may end up going for a ride.
42.
Okay.
Oh, it's gonna come in from this.
Don't worry,
Where are
we can go anywhere. But I don't understand how it couldn't have been.
I don't either.
Let's measure the height.
Oh,
and
no,
you'll
this
see.
is well over.
Yeah, like if you angle it, you're fine. So before we go ordering, I just need to know, like,
This is 8, so it's almost 100 inches if you.
yeah. And you did 96. So if you bring it in this way and put it on an angle, I don't see why it wouldn't have fit.
No, I don't either.
Like if you go angle here and you go 100 inches, go, like, you know, once you tilt it, you've got lots of room to the floor.
No, that's not the issue. Because if he brings it in, I just need to make sure your sofa is less than the 42.
Okay.
Are we leaving your dining for now?
Give me options and I'm ready to like, a few
Because you
things.
could easily do a 6-seater here.
I want to tell you this can here, and ultimately, if I need, can be used in that corner for like a 2-seater kitchen. Because
I
there's
think
lots of
didn't we
space.
at one point discuss doing an extension at your island?
Yeah,
to
and your
create
husband
a
said it
sitting
was- it
area.
would work.
Yeah.
He said that that's not good. But this could actually either there or
This could
against the-
definitely fit in there. And then over here you can do a nice 6-seater.
Yeah, or you 6 or round, whatever you think works better. But yeah, we need a table and 6 chairs.
Let's measure out your rug.
Yes?
So we discussed 8 by 10 here, but we're gonna make sure.
I think it's too big.
See, this is your 8,
Yeah.
which I still have probably about a foot, 10 inches to a foot from the window. Okay,
Yeah.
that's an 8.
And you don't think that will, when you come out with this, be a problem?
My thing is, I think a 6 by 9 is too small. See,
Okay.
like this would sit like this,
Yeah.
and it's not covering. It's just covering like 5-6 inches of your sofa.
Okay. All right.
This is your 10. This way.
Yeah. Oh, the
And-
10 is fine.
I know.
Yeah, the 10 is fine.
But if we want to do like a machine made, then we can't. We have to stick within the
All
standard
right,
sizes,
fine.
right? So 8 by 10,
Yeah.
5 by 7.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's make this feel like it's pretty.
You want to come and see? You want to come next week?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like right now, I'm ready to move fast forward. I was dawdling last year with COVID and everything.
Yay!
I just want to get it done.
Let's go.
I don't want to linger. I want to order it all, do it all, and finish.
Let's do
you
it.
You know?
I'm ready. What kind of condo is this that they're bringing a
It's
helicopter?
a commercial. It's a commercial. It's a business.
Oh, no
It's
way.
it's a high-tech business. Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, they're
That's
gonna
awesome.
slide it right in. Because they called me today. Go, doesn't
Susan's
get
on
in
the
there.
17th floor. Do you think
No,
we
I don't
can
know the floor.
helicopter a sofa into her?
But they got. They called me, the designer, and said it's not going in. Well, you know, I got the drawings here. You ordered it 120 inches long, so
That's what I'm saying. These elevators are not equipped
No.
for these luxury condos.
they need bigger service elevators. How about up the? It's a small sofa. It should go up the stairs. They just gotta.
It's 17th floor.
Well,
Up
they-
what stairs? Who's taking it?
They gotta work, the two boys.
You wanna work out?
Jason and Mike can
Justin
do it.
and Mike?
Justin and Mike can do it.
Do you want to do it?
No, too old for that. I mean, got the guys to do
He
it.
brought the chair?
Yeah.
The dining chair? Woo woo! We've been waiting for these dining chairs for, well, one chair for a few weeks now. It's fully custom made. Let's see what it's gonna look like. The issues that we come across. So we ordered this, we had this chair purchased and we were gonna reupholster it because it didn't come in the fabric that we wanted. And unfortunately, the leather is a little bit too tough and they can't frame it properly, which is causing the creases. So one of the associates is gonna go and have a look and see if we can find something to replace this fabric with that is a little bit more giving and that will frame the chair nicely and it'll look nice and seamless.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that'll look good.
So this is, yeah, this is like exactly, it's probably even a little bit lighter, which is nice. I like that more.
Okay, perfect.
Let's do it. They want to do a sectional
Okay.
for the basement.
Yeah.
They have a full out theater room. The two corners
The
are going to
haven.
be like chaise.
Yes. Get
Style.
the drawing out. Do you have that drawing with you?
We're going to do a drawing and I'm going to actually send it to him. He's been waiting for it for a couple of days from me.
Yeah.
So to the floor.
Yeah.
Right? The cushions, I want to have them so that they can clip it or something to the seat, because I know these cushions, when you sit on them and move around, they shift and they fall off.
Okay.
So if we can just have like some kind of clip happening.
All right.
So the ottoman right now, this ottoman is not connected. We're going to do it as a one piece. Remember how you did those two white ones for me, the long ones?
Wait, it's better to connect them.
We're going to, well, not connect, it's going to be a piece. So your corner here with the arm is going to be one piece
So
with
you
the
want a
ottoman.
chaise then?
Yeah.
So, okay.
So a two armless in the middle and then chaise and chaise. And I'll give you the dimensions too, we have them.
Can we go with my dimensions? And keep it simple?
Yes, but he would like the chaise to be 50, like almost like a bed.
Yeah, that more than that. We need about 70.
No, not length, width.
Fabric's not wide enough. You can start making joins everywhere.
No, I don't want joints.
Well, that's why. So leave it 48.
Okay. 48, so I'll let him know. Justin can handle it. Is it the assembling that's an issue, or is
Yeah,
it?
because the with an 1.5 leg, I can put the alligator clips in.
Right.
With the small 1/2 leg, you have to put the side clips in
Okay.
and make sure that if Justin goes, he'll put it. He'll
He
manage.
could do it. Yeah.
Oh, man.
Justin's our Superman.
Do you ever agree? So
Do I ever agree with you?
Never.
No, that's why I'm a designer.
24.
We're allowed to disagree.
24. Yeah, but then I build them and we get ourselves in trouble. So
Okay, no. Look,
24. Wait, stop. I'll make it for you. I'm going to make it right. So 24, 24.
we have the
48,
best relationship.
48.
He really does love me.
and 12 is 60,
Pretends he doesn't.
70. So 48 and 12 is 60. Good call.
Good call?
Yes.
You men only just listen once in a while.
60. You want it to fit right in here?
How much do we have there? 30? Yeah,
yeah.
I think 30. We're doing one upstairs, same size. So 30 is good. 30 by
it'll
60.
It'll fit right in.
Yeah.
30. And they want the same loose pillow
We're
on
going to
it,
do
right?
same fabric.
They want pillow top on here?
No. We're going to do it tight. Like the sectional we did upstairs, tight, but they want the trim around it.
Okay, so
And we're going to do the exact same for the ottoman for the family room, but in the white poodle.
because
Are you trying to trick him?
no, yeah.
Oh, we're going to trick him? Okay.
Renato,
Here, say hi to him.
Hi, it's your favorite
Hi.
designer.
hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, fine.
My friend, I came to see you here and you're not here. And where are my chairs?
What's the sample, eh?
Well, a sample, I would have thought by now all 8 would have been ready, but we're still calling it a sample.
We need to approve it. We need to approve it. We can't go any
That's what
further.
I'm saying. Can you please, well, his phone is with me. I've confiscated his phone, but he's here. But I wanted to know if you can bring it in this week, so maybe we can approve the chair and we can move forward with the rest.
This weekend, tomorrow too hard. Maybe Tuesday.
So you know, I was sitting at the exact same spot 2 weeks ago, and we had this conversation, and you told me that you would have it
I clean up too. Okay, please. Tuesday I bring it. Okay.
Tuesday.
The benches.
I'll be here by noon, huh? You think he'll be ready?
I hope you.
I hope you have a good weekend. I'll wait for my chairs till Tuesday. Okay, bye. What happened there? You think that did anything? Tuesday,
The unfortunate.
I'm gonna get a phone call from you saying, call him.
The unfortunate thing well, not unfortunate, but fortunate thing though, he's the best sample maker there is in GTA. So we need to use him.
We need him.
We have to use him. So we gotta wait sometimes. Sometimes we need to be patient for custom work. That's what it is.
Yeah, and we're all about custom work,
Yeah.
so. Good things come for those who wait.
True. My grandfather used to say that the long way is the short way.
Yes, I
That
can
makes
see
any
that.
sense to you?
It does. I've seen that happen.
Measure twice, cut once. It's quite simple, actually.
Okay guys, we got a lot accomplished today. I'm so excited these projects are finally like almost coming to life, because it's been a few months, and with COVID there's been so many delays and my clients are so anxious to get their pieces, but we've put in a few final orders and getting their spaces nice and decorated and probably ready to use in the next couple of months. Thank you guys for joining in on another day in the life. I hope you guys enjoyed my day with me. I enjoyed being with you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to check us out on Instagram @StylewithSanaz. See you next time.